Our experience has been always so good. Even in this show, quality customer who have interest in our equipment, they visited us and the footfall is very good. Next time in Bangalore and in future exhibition, we will participate.
It's an excellent place to make new connections, to generate new business opportunities in the field of electronics, of microelectronics and related technology. We had very interesting talks, also lots of talks with people from India who are interested in some sort of collaboration. Of course, we have to do a follow-up after the show. It's only 5 minutes here at the exhibition booth. For quite a number of talks and contacts that we have, it looks promising that we can generate some business out of that.
We are continuously participating in the productronica for every year from the last more than the 15 years, and we are happy to have the participation. We are really enjoying the show. We are getting the new business leads, and for that new customers we are happy to serve always.
It was really brilliant for us. We want to reach every customer that we need, but really it was really helpful for our business, especially in Indian market. Also, we reached some other region as well, because it was a universal international exhibition. I hope it will be not three times in India. We will be joined, we will participate really freely for that.
This is the first time, but I meet many Indian companies. So it's success meeting.
It's very good. The direct buyer-seller connect is a very good idea, so that we can have a interaction with them and we can get more insight from them. I'm getting whatever has been looking for. This is one of the best this yearly product, where I can get all this information from the industry as well as what is happening in industry. It's awesome. It has to happen on every year, so that we can have connect with every industries.
Show is fantastic, and this is a good platform where we can search and get new adventure, new product and other things, and we are quite satisfied on that.